Welcome to the JAD Roch Index. The World Cup shows where global attention is going.
And in crypto, attention can move billions?
Exactly. That's why we built the JAD Roch Index.
So what is it exactly? A coin? A price chart?
No. The JAD Roch Index is a Memecoin market radar. It shows if the market is weak, neutral, or heating up. We're fine. The index scores Memecoins using 5 pillars.
So not just vibes and rocket emojis?
Right. Market strength, liquidity, community, attention, and risk. Okay, JAD, your turn.
JAD?
We don't hear you.
Where are you, JAD?
Did he disappear into the Memecoin universe again? Sorry guys, I'm at the World Cup. You're all working and I'm out here on paid emotional leave. Don't be jealous, somebody has to represent Portugal properly. Portugal! Ronaldo!
Okay, well, let's continue, Jorji.
Exactly. While JAD is doing very serious football research, we continue with the JAD Roch Index.
But why does DOGE matter more than a tiny coin?
Because the index is market weighted. A big coin with a big market share moves the index more. In this dashboard, DOGE chooses about 49.47 points. SHIB adds 10.62, Pepe adds 4.41.
So the biggest memes are carrying the scoreboard.
The JAD Roch Index answers one question.
Is the Memecoin market asleep or ready to run?
Today, red means strong market. Stay sharp, stay informed, and stay with JAD Roch. Portugal, Ronaldo! Portugal, Ronaldo!